Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to check availability in Outlook calendar. Without any further ado, let's get started. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to outlook.cloud.microsoft. This will take you directly to the Microsoft Outlook web app where you can access all your email and calendar features. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your main email dashboard where all your messages are displayed. Now that your email has loaded, you're ready to check availability in your Outlook calendar. Direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll find the Quick Access toolbar. This toolbar contains several useful icons that give you quick access to different Outlook features. Look for the calendar icon among these options and click on it. This will take you directly to your calendar view where you can manage all your appointments and meetings. Once your calendar menu opens up, you'll see your schedule laid out with all your existing events and appointments. To check availability between you and other people, you'll need to create a new event. Look for the New Event button located on the top left part of your calendar menu and click on it. This will open up a new event window where you can set up a meeting or appointment. Here's where the availability feature comes into play. In the event window that appears, you'll notice several fields where you can enter information about your meeting. Look for the attendees field and start adding some sample email addresses or names of people you want to meet with. As you begin typing and adding attendees, pay close attention to the right side of the event window. You'll see an availability window that starts displaying different colors as you add more people to the meeting. These colors are incredibly useful because they indicate the availability status between you and your attendees' schedules. The system automatically checks everyone's calendar and shows you when people are free, busy, or have conflicts. This visual representation makes it easy to find a time slot that works for everyone without having to manually check each person's calendar individually. You can now easily identify the best time to schedule your meeting based on this color-coded availability information. And that's it. You've now learned how to check availability in Outlook calendar, making it much easier to schedule meetings that work for everyone involved. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.